Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wall mounts for 70-inch TVs that are available on the market for their true quality. We'll be breaking down the features, performance, and value of each product to help you make an informed decision. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Home Vision Heavy-Duty Fixed TV Wall Mount. This mount is perfect for those who prefer a minimalist, low-profile design. One of its standout features is its ultra-slim profile. It sits just 1 inch from the wall, making it an excellent space-saving option. The pull-lock release design is user-friendly and eliminates the hassle of fiddling behind the TV. It's compatible with TVs ranging from 32 to 86 inches, supports up to 165 pounds, and accommodates vesa patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters. In terms of build quality, the Home Vision mount is made from durable alloy steel that feels solid and reliable. It's designed to fit 16, 18, and 24-inch wood studs, as well as concrete and brick walls, though it's not suitable for direct drywall installation. The installation process is straightforward and takes about 10 minutes. Thanks to its clear instructions and included hardware. While this mount offers great stability and a sleek design, it lacks flexibility since it's a fixed mount. That means no tilt or swivel capabilities to reduce glare or adjust viewing angles. This makes it ideal for rooms where the TV is mounted at eye level and positioning won't change. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly option for those who value simplicity and sturdiness. Pros: slim design, high weight capacity. Affordable. Cons: no adjustability, not for drywall-only installations. Coming in at number 4 is the Mounting Dream UL listed Tilt TV Wall Mount. This mount is designed for versatility and convenience, supporting TVs from 37 to 75 inches and up to 132 pounds. It fits vesa patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters and works with 16, 18, and 24-inch wood studs. Its standout feature? An 8-degree tilt capability, which allows you to reduce glare and improve your viewing experience with ease. The Mounting Dream mount is built with high-quality metal for durability and stability. It sits just 1.5 inches from the wall, striking a good balance between a low-profile design and sufficient space for ventilation. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its clear, step-by-step instructions and included bubble level. However, note that it may require additional concrete anchors for some setups, which are available upon request. This mount is ideal for users who want a fixed position mount with a slight tilt to minimize glare. However, it doesn't offer full motion capabilities, so it's less flexible than some other mounts on this list. Overall, it's a reliable and affordable choice for most mid-size to large TVs. Pros: easy installation, tilt functionality, sturdy build. Cons: no swivel or full motion support, limited to 75-inch TVs. At number 3, we have the USX Star UL listed full motion TV wall mount. This mount provides a lot of flexibility with its plus 5 degrees, minus 15-degree tilt, and plus 45-degree swivel, making it perfect for creating the ideal viewing angle no matter where you're seated. It supports TVs from 37 to 86 inches, holds up to 132 pounds, and fits vesa patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters. The dual articulation arm design is particularly impressive, allowing the mount to extend up to 16.61 inches or retract to just 2.52 inches for a streamlined look. The build quality is outstanding, with alloy steel construction that feels robust and secure. The USX Star mount comes with a drilling template, bubble level, and all necessary hardware, making installation straightforward, even for beginners. It's compatible with wood studs, solid brick, and concrete walls. But you'll need to request concrete anchors if required. This mount is a great all-around option for those who want flexibility without breaking the bank. However, it lacks the ultra-high weight capacity of some competitors, so it may not be ideal for extremely heavy TVs. Pros: full motion adjustability, easy installation, great value. Cons: maximum weight is 132 pounds, concrete anchors not included by default. Our runner-up is the USX Mount Full Motion TV Wall Mount. This mount is a strong contender for its versatility and durability. Designed for TVs ranging from 42 to 86 inches and up to 132 pounds, it supports vesa patterns up to 600 by 400 millimeters. With its dual swivel arms, you get plus 5 degrees minus 15 degrees tilt, plus 45 degrees swivel, and plus 3 degrees leveling adjustments. These features make it easy to find the perfect viewing angle and reduce glare. What sets the USX mount apart is its dual 6-arm design, which enhances stability and strength. It extends up to 16.49 inches and retracts to just 2.4 inches, providing flexibility without taking up unnecessary space. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the detailed instructions and included hardware. However, like many mounts, concrete anchors are not included, but can be requested. This mount is ideal for those who want an affordable, yet highly adjustable solution for their large TVs. While its weight capacity is sufficient for most, it doesn't match the ultra-heavy-duty options at the top of this list. Pros: adjustable viewing angles, stable build, great for larger TVs. Cons: concrete anchors must be requested, not the highest weight capacity. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.